Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ram 1500 hood using an easy method. First, you'll need to find the hood release lever inside the truck's cabin. It's usually located on the driver's side, down by the kick panel, often marked with a hood icon. Give that lever a firm pull to release the primary latch. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the vehicle, indicating the hood has partially opened. Now that the primary latch is released, walk to the front of your Ram 1500. You'll notice a small gap, perhaps about 1 inch wide, between the hood and the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this opening. You're looking for a small lever or tab, usually made of plastic or metal, which is the secondary safety latch. It's designed to prevent the hood from flying open unexpectedly. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your specific Ram model, you might push it to the side, usually to the left or right, or lift it upwards. This action will completely release the hood from its locked position. Be sure to keep your fingers clear of any moving parts as you perform this step. You're now ready to fully open the hood. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards until it's fully open. It might be a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed. Next, locate the hood prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully remove it and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will securely hold the hood open, allowing you safe access to your engine compartment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.